Why doctors unable to create wealth? One of the reason for this is because of loans. So majority doctors, for completing their studies, they are taking some educational loan, and after starting their job, there will be business loans, personal loans, home loans, car loans. Because of that, they are unable to create wealth. Instead of they working for themselves, they are working for banks. That is one of the reason. And second important reason is doctors don't have time. They are very busy in their work, and because of that, they don't have much things to learn related to money management. And third thing, majority insurance companies, real estate companies, mutual fund companies, all these people know that doctors have lot of money, and they don't have knowledge related to money. That is the reason they try to create marketing strategies, sales techniques for selling to only doctors. With a lot of thousands of hundreds of crores of budgets, they only specifically keep for doctors. Because of that, they are able to sell high commission products to doctors, and instead of doctors making money, they themselves, these insurance companies agents, or real estate related agents, or else mutual funds related, stock market related agents, these people making money instead of creating wealth to the doctors. Okay. Another important reason is doctors focus on making money instead of managing money. So majority doctors try to own another hospital, or try to do like a overtime or part time or something they try to do, and try to create and earn money by working. But instead of that, if people focus, that means doctors focus on creating second source of income through managing the money in a more effective way, they can become financially free as early as possible, and they can create a wealth like a 20 crore or 30 crore kind of a money. So regarding this, I am conducting a session related to how doctors can create a wealth of like a 25 crore to 30 crore of wealth. So if you didn't go through, please go through. Okay. I created a solution after working with 100 plus doctors. I created a solution specifically suits to doctors, how they can create a wealth like a 25 to 30 crore or 50 crore. Okay. And even how to own a hospital, how to plan for kids education, how to plan for like a entire life, if you see. So how to plan for all these things, I created a solution. So if you are interested, first Google search about me, Vaasu Challa, and then try to read some reviews and articles. Then you will come to know who I am. And then you try to register for my program. It's a 25 minutes to 30 minutes program. And after that, we will talk one to one, and we will discuss in detail. Thank you so much. Have a great day.